Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a special chicken fry. So this is Quilon fried chicken from our chef Pile. So the specialty of this fried chicken is it's topped with some crispy batter scraps on it. So it's a very yummy restaurant style chicken fry. So you must try it. So let's get into the recipe first. So as you all can see here, I have took 1 kg of chicken cuts. Next we'll be doing slits on the chicken pieces so that the masala gets nicely into the chicken pieces. Firstly, we'll be doing a very simple marination of 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and teaspoonful of coriander powder. Mix it well. So next we'll be adding salt. And next we'll be adding 3 to 4 garlic cloves, hand crushed. Mix them well and let it sit for around 10 to 20 minutes. Now make sure that you add the garlic cloves with its peel. So next we'll be cooking this chicken pieces with a little bit of water in it, and we have to just cook it for 60 to 70%, and then we'll be adding some masalas and frying it. Add enough water, cover it with a lid and let it cook on medium flame. So here you can see the chicken is halfly cooked. Now turn the flame off, and next we'll be preparing the second marination. So here in a pot added 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and half a teaspoon of green chili paste. Now this is optional. Next goes in 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoonful of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that's maida. Adding 1 egg and half a lemon juice. Adding some salt and now mixing them all very well. Now make sure that you make it to a smooth paste and loose too. Add little bit of water accordingly and make it little loose. Now finally goes in 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Now this is completely optional. Again mix them all well, and next we'll be draining out the chicken from the chicken stock. Now if you want, you can reserve the chicken stock for later. You can add into the curries, or also you can make soups out of it. So next we'll be adding the chicken pieces to the masala. Add in the garlic pieces too, that's cooked. Mix them all well. Make sure that the masala is completely binded to the chicken and rest it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now also add a little bit of curry leaves chopped. Next we'll be moving on to the frying of chicken. So here we need 2 to 3 green chilies, some garlic hand crushed and few curry leaves. Into a kadai, added oil. Now if you want you can add sunflower oil too, but I used coconut oil. And when the oil is hot enough, start adding the chicken pieces. So in the first batch, as I was just checking how the chicken comes out, so I didn't added the green chilies, curry leaves and garlic. Next batch I'll be doing it. So here I'm adding the curry leaves, 1 green chili slitted and 2 garlics hand crushed. So you can just get from the video itself how yummy the chicken would be. It was very tasty and crispy too. Must say hats off to chef for such amazing recipe. So here I'm frying out the rest of the chicken pieces, repeating the same procedure. Now here's the twist in the recipe. So here I added just a little bit of water to the batter and started adding it to the pan. So here you will get a crispy scrap of batter. So it's done. As you can see, this just tasted yum. Finally, top the chicken with the crispy scrapes of batter, and here's your yummy quill and fried chicken ready. Thanks to Chef Pillai for such amazing recipe once again. So hope you all like the video and the recipe too. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.